What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a Pinnacle Motorsport skid plate on my M3. Doing something different with the vlog. Trying to get more camera time, FaceTime action, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's a little awkward for me, but whatever, we're going to work through it. So today, like I said, got the M3 in the garage. And there's the skid plate. So like I said, it's from Pinnacle Motorsports. I went with these guys because it's a one piece and it's probably the best bang for your buck. There's a few other skid plates out there that's like a 3-piece and also 1-piece ones, but they're a little bit more expensive. This one's a little bit cheaper, but I think it's still the best bang for your buck. We're gonna do some drilling. Some of them are straight bolt-on, and then some require drilling. So this one's obviously a drilling part, but it should be pretty quick, about an hour's worth of work. It does say that we got to jack up the car and take the front wheels off so we can get to have more room and get to the points where we got to drill out. So yeah, I'm gonna set the camera down and go ahead and get the wheels off the car. Got the drill bit, and then got our 8mm socket for the screws, the new ones. I got a pack of new ones, so we're not going to be using old ones. And yeah, so now I'm just going to lift it to where it gets flush and start drilling. Alright, so skid plate's all bolted up. The fitment's pretty good. It's not bad at all. The front part, to get it inside the bumper, you kind of have to finesse it a little bit and line up the bolt holes. But once you do that, everything else lines up pretty good. The back three, they lined it up pretty well as soon as you deal with these ones. And then, as you guys saw, I just used a jack to hold this side up. Let's see if it focuses. And then use it to drill out the holes. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Took about an hour or so, and yeah, now the bumper's pretty solid and it doesn't flop around anymore. So I'm gonna put the wheels and tires back on, and then I got some carbon fiber lip spoilers I'm gonna put on, and yeah, I'll probably do a quick little separate video on that. So yeah.